Hey there, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to the Recruiter Talk. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's not only important but also essential for modern workplaces, creating a culture of inclusion. In today's video, we'll be sharing some insightful HR strategies to foster diversity and ensure that every voice is heard. So, if you're ready to make your workplace a more inclusive and vibrant space, keep on watching. Before we dive into the strategies, let's talk about why creating a culture of inclusion is crucial. A diverse workplace brings together different perspectives, experiences, and talents, which can drive innovation, problem-solving, and overall company success. An inclusive environment ensures that all employees feel valued, respected, and empowered to contribute their best. First up, it's vital for leadership to champion inclusion. They need to set the tone by demonstrating inclusive behaviors and actively engaging in diversity and inclusion training. This cascades down through the organization, creating a culture where everyone understands the importance of respect and collaboration. A diverse workplace begins with diverse hiring practices. HR departments should focus on inclusive job descriptions, unbiased interview processes, and reaching out to underrepresented communities. This ensures a more diverse pool of talent and opens the door for fresh perspectives. Employee resource groups, or ERGs, provide a platform for employees with shared backgrounds or interests to connect. These groups help foster a sense of belonging and allow employees to bring their whole selves to work. Supporting ERGs can create a vibrant tapestry of voices within your organization. Inclusive policies, such as flexible work arrangements and parental leave, support employees' various needs. And let's not forget about creating safe spaces for open conversations about inclusion. When employees feel their concerns are heard and acted upon, it cultivates trust and collaboration. Now that we've explored these strategies, it's time to put them into action. Remember, creating an inclusive workplace culture is an ongoing journey, not a one-time task. So, whether you're a team-led, HR professional, or an employee, you can contribute to making your workplace more inclusive and diverse. Thank you so much for joining me today as we delved into the world of creating a culture of inclusion. If you found these insights helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Also, share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, remember that embracing diversity isn't just a buzzword. It's a path to a brighter and more innovative future. Take care.